Are you looking for a way to share your stories with only the people you trust? In this video, I will show you how to create a private story on Snapchat. After watching this video, you'll know the simple steps to take in order to make sure that your chosen friends are the only ones able to see it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, scroll down a little bit until you see the My Stories section. Once you find it, tap where it says New Private Story. And now what you want to do next is select all the people to whom you want to grant access to view your private story. So only the people that you select on this screen will be able to view your Snapchat private story. After you select them, tap Create Story, and then give your private story a name. I'm just going to leave it as is. After you've given your story a name, tap Done. And now your private story has been successfully created just below your normal story, and you can tap on that to send snaps to these private stories, and only the people that you selected will be able to see and view them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.